The window displaying the orders allows you to keep track of all your trades. Here you can find details about each order you have placed since you started trading on your account. All executed or cancelled orders are arranged according to your preferences in the Executed Orders tab. You can sort them by date, status, executed or cancelled, type, market limit, stop, one cancels other, instrument, etc. There's also a Pending Orders tab where you can monitor or cancel your limit, stop and one cancels other orders which have been confirmed but not yet executed. The Trading Activity tab allows you to find and analyze the data you need as fast and easy as possible.